flag stand, honorary flag man here for tonight's main event. Up there with Taylor Grove. Sexton, Bird, they'll go on to turn 3 and 4. They're going to put their foot to the floor. Let's hear them go. Sexton, we're going to turn 3 in the 4, 66 minutes. He's right again. Victory lane. Alan, that was an eventful race. You had a great battle in lap traffic. Maybe just talk about that first before we got to the final 3 laps. That battle through trying to get around lap cars because Chris Crowder was coming hard on you. Talking about how you had to get around those lap cars and get some distance between you and second.
Well, obviously we don't know where that second place car is, and I figured so. There's a lot of good talent here, and when they were piled up, it's one thing to try and pass one lap car or two, but when there's 5, 6 of them, to try and pick your way through, not wreck anybody or yourself. It was definitely a challenge, and I'll be sorry for the red. I hope everybody's okay. That's something I've been praying hard for, is that we get through these 4 days with good fun and camaraderie, good racing and clean, and nobody gets hurt and wrecked. And I'm just jacked that I got this. I'm very happy.
Talking about the last lap too, when Chris was coming to your outside, do you think you had enough to hold him off?
I honestly didn't know. I saw him, and all I knew is I had to protect that line. I knew he was trying to go outside of me, so when I went through 1 and 2, I carried my momentum a little higher, and hopefully that's what did it, I guess.
What do you got to thank here, Alan?
I got to thank, first of all, my family, my wife Valerie taking pictures, my pit crew daughter Kennedy wearing my 13 shirt, Mad Tracks for our main sponsor, and just obviously the fans that come out to watch. And it got late tonight, but you know, thanks for the promoters as well. So,
thanks so much, Alan Trasinski, your POWRi Minn Kota Ladies Sprint feature winner.